Michigan students who have been exposed to COVID-19 but don't have symptoms can avoid quarantining at home if they're wearing masks and if they undergo daily testing. This is brand new guidance from the state health department. And meantime, new COVID-19 numbers, when they will be released. We do have outbreak information at Michigan schools, more than triple in just 1 week. 31 new COVID-19 school outbreaks have been reported statewide by health officials. Last week, there were 9 new outbreaks, but many more schools have also opened since then as well. Labor Day has come and gone, and the days are getting shorter and the weather slowly getting cooler. As we head into fall and then winter, there are concerns about what the colder temperatures and more people being inside will do to the battle against the coronavirus. That concern especially acute due to the number of children now becoming infected.
This particular variant has attacked the adults at a faster rate. It's attacked our student population at a faster rate.
Educators and health officials alike sounding the alarm over the surge of coronavirus cases among children. More than 250,000 child cases were reported for the week ending September 2nd. That's more than 25% of the total number of cases reported over that same period.
We've got to get the school system masked, in addition to surrounding the children with vaccinated people.
This comes as the nation hits a grim milestone, the U.S. surpassing 40 million total coronavirus infections, with 10% of those cases reported in just the last 4 weeks. And medical experts warn we could be on the verge of an even more intense spike in cases following heavy travel and large gatherings over the Labor Day holiday weekend.
We are having to prepare ourselves for having yet again another surge after the Labor Day holiday.
Increasing concerns about the ability of hospitals to keep up. According to the Department of Health and Human Services data, 8 states had more than 90% of their adult ICU beds occupied as of Sunday. With cases and hospitalizations already on the rise, President Joe Biden is set to address the nation on Thursday about the next phase of his pandemic response.
And in other headlines related to the coronavirus booster shots, the World Health Organization chief is calling for a moratorium or pause on using coronavirus booster shots for the rest of the year. However, here in the United States, the initial plan is to offer Pfizer or Moderna boosters starting September 20th, contingent on the authorization from U.S. regulators. So we'll have to see if that plan may change. Still to come after